you're going to see at least one question on every SAT that looks pretty much exactly like this. The story will change, the chart will look different, but your task is always the same. It is to follow instructions and give them what they want. So in this case, they're talking about the dogs and the cats. Great. What fraction of the dogs are fed only dry food? So this is a two-parter, right? There's two things that we're being asked here. I know it's just one question, but there's two things. First of all, what fraction of the dogs? So we need to make a fraction, and we need to make sure that when we make that fraction, we're only thinking about the dogs. So I don't care about the cats, okay? I don't care about the totals because that includes the cats. So I'm only concerned with the dogs. So how many dogs are there? There are 25 dogs. So that's the first part of the question, and usually that's the part you should start with, which is finding the denominator of your fraction. What are we selecting from, right? What do we want a fraction of? We want a fraction of the dogs, okay? If we did the cats too, we're going to get it wrong because I guarantee you those are answers that are there. So, next part. They're only fed dry food. So the only fed dry food is right here, and that is 2 out of 25, and that is the answer. This doesn't take long, right? We're not actually doing any math, to be honest here. We're literally just reading the chart. There's no calculations of any kind. We don't need to simplify the fraction. We don't need to turn it into a decimal. It's just done. And that's because this is the first question in the section. It's supposed to be the easiest. But you can see that if we don't follow instructions, we could very easily make a mistake, right? 2 out of 41. Here's the 41. I kind of blocked it out, but that's 41 right there. If we included everything, we would get choice A, trap. If we included everything and included the cats in the dry food, 7 out of 41. That's a trap. So this is what you're up against. And this is why you really need to know for every question, but especially for these chart ones, that following the instructions is extremely important, and that's just the difference of right and wrong, is giving them what they ask for and nothing more, nothing less. Underline it. Show your work. Don't lose points on something like this. This is an easy question. It should be free points that you get every single time.